Welcome back everyone to Learn Abacus with Fatima. As most of us get confused when to use the small friend and big friend formula. In today's lesson, I'm going to clear all your doubts. Today is a very important lesson, so watch it till the end. Let us begin with the first question. 10 less 3 less 3 less 3. So first I start with 10. Now I need to do less 3. Now we all know 3 is also a small friend and it also comes in the big friends. Means 3 has two formulas, small friend formula and the big friend formula. So which formula are we going to use here? Many students get confused when to use the small friend formula and when to use the big friend formula. So in today's video, we are going to understand step by step which formulas to use and when to use them. Let's have a quick recap. We all know small friends and we have also learned big friends. For small friends, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And big friends are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now as you can see, numbers from 1 to 4, they have two formulas, small friends and big friends. Whereas 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, they only have one formula, that is the big friend formulas. Now we need to understand this. This is very important. When we are solving any sums using Abacus, we might come across such questions. So there are three conditions that we need to remember before solving them. The first condition is direct subtraction. Always go for direct subtraction first. If direct subtraction is not possible, then you have to go for small friend subtraction. Small friend subtraction is also not possible, then you have to go for big friend subtraction. So these are three conditions you must remember when you are solving the sums using your Abacus. So first condition is direct subtraction, next is small friend, and then you have to go with the big friend subtraction formula. Do you know we have learned more than 20 formulas? If you haven't watched my videos on small friend and big friend subtraction, you can find the link in my description box. Now let us go back to the question. First one, 10 less 3 less 3 less 3. So I have 10 here. Now less 3. Can I do direct subtraction? No, I cannot. Can I do small friend? No, I cannot do small friend. Why? Because 5 bead is not in use. So I cannot do small friend. Now can I do big friend? Yes, I can do big friend. Okay. So the formula for less 3 is less 10 plus 7. Now again less 3. Can I do direct subtraction? No, I only have 2 lower beads. I cannot do. What about small friend? Yes, I can go with small friend because 5 bead is already in use. So the formula for small friend is less 5 plus 2. Again less 3. So what do I have to do now? Check again. Direct subtraction? Yes, I can do direct subtraction. So my answer is 1. Next one. 17 less 4. 17 less 4. Again, direct subtraction I cannot do. So small friend I can use? Yes, I can do small friend. So the formula for less 4 is less 5 plus 1. Again less 4. Can I do less 4 here? No. Again direct subtraction I cannot do. Can I go with small friend? No, because 5 bead is not in use. Then I have to go with big friend subtraction formula. Those 4 is a small friend also, but here I am going to use the big friend. So the formula for less 4 is less 10 plus 6. Correct? Now again less 4. So over here what will I do? I will go with direct subtraction. So my answer is 5. Always remember, first we go with direct subtraction. When direct beads are not available, then we go with the small friend formula method. If small friend is not possible, then we go for big friend subtraction formula. Now we are going to solve some more sums using these three conditions. By solving these sums, you will gain a good understanding whether you have to do it directly or you should use the small friend or big friend subtraction formula. Let us begin. 1, 25 less 1 less 3, 25. Now less 1. We all know 1 has two formulas, small and big. So first, I'm going to deduct subtraction. I do small friend? Yes, I have to use the friend formula. That is, less 1 is less 5 plus 4. Now less 3. How will I do less 3? Direct subtraction is possible? Yes. So my answer is 21. Next one. 76 less 8 less 4. 76. Now less 8. We all know 8 is a big number. So first we have to check, can I do direct subtraction? No. So I don't have to look at the small friend because 8 is already a big number. So it has only big friend formula. So less 8 is less 10 plus 2. Less 4 is direct subtraction. I cannot do, I can only do less 3. Small friend, yes, I can use because 5b is in use. So I can do small friend subtraction. So for less 4, it is less 5 plus 1. My answer is 64. Next, 81 less 3 less 4. 81. Less 3. Less 3 is direct subtraction we cannot do. Small friend also we cannot do because 5b is in the resting position. It is not in use. So we cannot do small friend. So I have to use the big friend subtraction formula. Okay. So what is the formula for less 3? Less 10 plus 7. Correct. Now less 4. How will I do less 4? Direct subtraction I cannot do. Small friend I can use. Yes, I can use small friend formula. That is less 5 plus 1. My answer is 74. Next one, 65 less 1 less 65. Now 1 direct subtraction. More than yes, I can do it. So 1 it is less 5 plus 4. Less 5. We all know 5 is a big number. So I will look at direct subtraction. I cannot do. And now directly I will look at the big friend formula. That is less 10 plus 5. My answer is 59. Next, 32 less 2 less 2. 32 less 2. I will go with direct subtraction. Yes. Again less 2. Now what will I do? Direct subtraction not possible. Small friend not possible. So I have to use the big formula. That is less 10 plus 8. My answer is 28. Next one, 60 less 1. Next one, 60 less 1 less 3. 60. Now less 1. How will I do less 1? We all know 1 has two formulas, small friend and big friend. So first is direct subtraction. I cannot do. Small friend also I cannot use. So I have to use the big friend subtraction formula. That is less 10 plus 9. Okay, next number, less 3. Can I do direct subtraction? Yes. So my answer is 56. Next, 81 less 9 less 4. 81 less 9. So less 9, we know 9 is a big number. First I have to check for direct subtraction, which I cannot do. Small friend, I will not look at it because it is a big number. So formula for less 9 is less 10 plus 1. Now less 4. How will I do less 4? Direct subtraction I cannot do. Small friend also I cannot use. I have to use the big friend formula. That is less 10 plus 6. My answer is 68. Next, 77 less 3 less 4. 77 less 3. Now over here less 3, direct subtraction I cannot do. Can I do small friend? Yes, I can do it, right? Because 5 bit is in use. So for less 3 it is less 5 plus 2. Now less 4, I have to do it direct subtraction. That is, answer is 70. Next, 70. Now less 2. Again, direct subtraction I cannot do. So, can I do small friend? No, I cannot even use small friend here. What should I do? I have to use the big friend subtraction formula. That is less 10 plus 8. Now again less 2. How will I do less 2? This is direct subtraction. Now again less 2. What will I do here? Can I do direct subtraction? No. So I have to use the small friend here. That is less 5 plus 3. My answer is 64. Okay, next one. 83 3 less 3. 83 less 3. The first one is direct subtraction. Next, again less 3. I cannot do direct subtraction. I cannot even use small friend. What will I do here? I have to use the big friend subtraction formula. That is less 10 plus 7. Next, less 3 is, again, direct subtraction I cannot do. I have to use the small friend formula. So that is less 5 plus 2. My answer is 74. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you still have any doubts regarding the big friend or subtraction formula, please write down in the comments. See you in the next Abacus class. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima.